meadows one sunny day. With her friend Anne, they love to play. Max the sheep, fluffy and white, together they frolic from morning till night. Duda and Max, the best of friends, their adventures they never end. In the fields they skip and leap. Oh, what fun! Duda and Max the sheep, through the tall grass they'd run and chase. In the sunshine they find their space. Max would bleat with joyous glee as Duda laughed, happy and free. Duda and Max, the best of friends, their adventures they never end. In the fields they skip and leap. Oh, what fun! Duda and Max step at the bill. Duda and Will through the meadows one sunny day. With her friend Anne, they love to play. Max the sheep, fluffy and white, together they frolic from morning till night. Duda and Max, the best of friends, their adventures they never end. In the fields they skip and leap. Oh, what fun! Duda and Max the sheep, through the tall grass they'd run and chase. In the sunshine they find their space. Max would bleat with joyous glee as Duda laughed, happy and free. Duda and Max, the best of friends, their adventures they never end. In the fields they skip and leap. Oh, what fun! Step at the bill. Duda and Will through the meadows one sunny day. With her friend Anne, they love to play. Max the sheep, fluffy and white, together they frolic from morning till night. Duda and Max, the best of friends, their adventures they never end. In the fields they skip and leap. Oh, what fun! Duda and Max the sheep, through the tall grass they'd run and chase. In the sunshine they find their space. Max would bleat with joyous glee as Duda laughed, happy and free. Duda and Max, the best of friends, their adventures they never end. In the fields they skip and leap. Oh, what fun! Duda and Max, step at the bill. Duda and Will through the meadows one sunny day. With her friend Anne, they love to play. Max the sheep, fluffy and white, together they frolic from morning till night. Duda and Max, the best of friends, their adventures they never end. In the fields they skip and leap. Oh, what fun! Duda and Max the sheep, through the tall grass they'd run and chase. In the sunshine they find their space. Max would bleat with joyous glee as Duda laughed, happy and free. Duda and Max, the best of friends, their adventures they never end. In the fields they skip and leap. Oh, what the bill. then of one sunny day with her friend and